Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Right after the higher secondary exam results, it is not very easy for the commerce stream students to choose any college for further studies. As they are well focused on their career, they will definitely want to get admitted in a reputed BBA college. Well, many of them want to know about which college is best for their further studies and how much marks can lead them to a good BBA college. So in this video, I will discuss about top BBA colleges across India with their courses, fees, eligibility criteria, placements, etc. We also have some career guidance videos of various professions. You will get detailed information about how to achieve that particular profession which you have chosen as your career, such as pharmacist, air hostess, detective, software engineer, etc. You will get the video links in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be about Jagan Institute of Management Studies, or the JIMS Rohini, in New Delhi. Jagan Institute of Management Studies Sector 5 Rohini is a business school in northern India which comes under Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. It imparts professional education both at undergraduate level and postgraduate level in the fields of management and technology. It offers two undergraduate courses, BBA and BCA, and two postgraduate courses, PGDM and MCA. It was established in the year 1993. Jagan Institute of Management Studies, or the JIMS Rohini, New Delhi, is managed by Jagannath Gupta Memorial Educational Society. JIMS Rohini courses are for various programs in the departments of management and computer applications. The college's mission was to develop the society by imparting high quality education to its students. For the Jagan Institute of Management Studies admission, the final selection is on the basis of various entrance exams. The application can be obtained from the college website. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. Next, we will know about this college's facilities. JIMS has two well-stacked and fully equipped libraries separately for management and information technology programs. The institute subscribes to a large number of international and national magazines, periodicals, journals, and a research paper of repute. The libraries also have reputed software packages of several journals. The institute pays special attention not only to strengthening the library with additional books and journals, but also to ensure that they are utilized well by the students both for their courses as well as to extend the frontiers of their general knowledge. Audio and multimedia versions of some course modules are also available. JIMS hostel is located within 4 kilometers of radius from the institute. The hostel for boys provides excellent facilities for dining and sports area and well connected through public transport. The girls hostel has 32 double occupancy rooms and 3 single occupancy rooms. The allocation of rooms is done on the basis of seniority and academic performance of the students. Hostel facilities include boarding, lodging, and mess services. Boys' hostels shared rooms, in-campus hostel, off-campus hostel. Available sports complex facilities are badminton court, basketball court, volleyball court, and table tennis. Available lab facilities are computer lab, digital electronic lab, visual merchandising lab, language lab, etc. Also, some other facilities are cafeteria, gym, hospital, medical facilities, Wi-Fi campus, shuttle service, auditorium, air-conditioned classrooms. So next we will go through this college's courses, eligibility criteria and fees. Jagan Institute of Management Studies, or JIMS Rohini, New Delhi offers Fellow Program in Management, or FPM, Bachelor of Computer Application, or BCA, Bachelor of Business Administration or BBA, Master of Computer Applications or MCA, and Postgraduate Diploma in Management or PGDM. For FPM, candidates must have a master's degree or AICTE approved postgraduate diploma in management or its equivalent in any relevant field with a minimum of 60% marks or equivalent grade point average. They can also have any professional qualifications such as CA, CFA, and CS. For PGDM, candidates must have scored 55% marks in graduation in any discipline. For MCA, candidates must have done a bachelor's degree with an aggregate of 50% marks. For BCA, students must have passed 12th with 50% aggregate in English and mathematics or computer applications as a subject, or must have a 3-year diploma with a 50% aggregate. For BBA, applicant must have passed 10+2 CBSE or equivalent with 50% aggregate marks and should have passed in English as a subject. For PGDM, the total fees is Rs 7.7 lakhs. For MCA, the first year fees is around Rs 1.44 lakhs. For BBA, the first year fees is around Rs 88,000. For BCA, first year fees is 86,400 rupees. For FPM, total fees is around Rs 3 lakhs. Duration of the postgraduate diploma in management or the PGDM course is only 2 years and all the other courses are for 3 years. As I mentioned earlier, this college has various entrance exams. For the postgraduate diploma in management or the PGDM course, entrance exams are CAT, MAT, CMAT, XAT, ATMA and GMAT. IPU-CET is the entrance exam for the courses Bachelor of Business Administration or BBA, Bachelor of Computer Application or BCA and Master of Computer Application or MCA. For admission in JIMS Rohini, New Delhi, the candidate can apply online on the official website of the institute. The selection is on the basis of entrance exam scores, group discussion, and personal interview. Students can obtain the application and prospectus on payment of Rs 1000. The payment mode can be through online, debit or credit card or through DD. JIMS offers scholarships to its students under 2 categories. First one is the Merit Cum Means Scholarship. It is offered under the Jagannath Gupta Memorial Educational Society. Second is the scholarship for CAT candidates. It is offered to students pursuing course PGDM or PGDM IB or PGDM RM and have scored a minimum of 80 percentile in the exam and minimum aggregate of 70% marks in class 10, 12 and graduation. Talking about this college's placements, JIMS Placement Center is known as CRMC, the Corporate Resource Management Center. CRMC performs an enabling and empowering function for its students. CRMC department activities revolve around inviting reputed corporates to the campus, strengthening of student networking with corporates, writing curriculum vitae or CV, conducting soft skill workshops and many more. JIMS has seen a surge in its placement drives, the salary package offered, a total number of companies visited and many students got placed over the years. Furthermore, there is a surge in some summer internships being offered to students and the stipend that students received. Some key recruiters are KPMG, EY, ITC Limited, Airtel, Axis Bank, Amazon and many more. In 2020, 190 companies visited JIMS campus and the highest package offered was Rs 18 lakh per year, while in 2019 there were a total of 187 companies which visited JIMS campus and Rs 17.33 lakhs per year was the highest salary offered. In 2017, only 180 companies visited and offered a salary package of 15.12 lakh per year. Jagan Institute of Management Studies Sector 5 Rohini is accredited with A grade by NAAC, the National Assessment and Accreditation Council. JIMS Rohini attained 43rd spot in the management category in a list of top 50 institutions on an all-India basis. This was by National Institutional Ranking Framework or NIRF 2016. JIMS Rohini continues to remain an elite club of the top B schools for fifth time in a row in the NIRF 2020, the sole annual rankings of the MHRD. Awarded with FICCI Higher Education Award for Excellence in Faculty on an all-India basis. 8th among top Element B schools of super excellence by CSR GHRDC B School Survey 2019. 18th among top 50 B schools in India by Chronicle of Career and Education magazine 2019. 4th among private business schools in Delhi by Education World 2019. 29th among top 100 B schools in India by Times of India B School Survey 2019. 10th in India, 5th in Delhi among top private institutes by Time of India February 2018. Ranked A++ on All India basis by Business India 2017. So these were the rankings of this college. Thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college. Till then,